Hundreds of families evacuate in the Mindoro provinces due to heavy flooding, but others chose to stay home to guard their property.
At least 29 people have died and dozens more are missing after another landslide in the Philippines.
Over in China, tens of thousands are evacuated from flood-hit regions as the death toll there rises to 33. And as this report tells us, the bad weather is expected to continue for a few more days.
Lives have lost, thousands have suffered. Nature's shroud of complaint, only humans are to blame. The beauty of Earth had been distracted by us. Unexpected events are result from our acts. Our community is needing for help. What can we do to change the future ahead?
Waste management is one of the common problems that the Philippines is still facing up to this day. 2.7 million tons of plastic waste are produced in the Philippines every year, and 20% of it ends up in the ocean.
Most discarded solid waste clog our drainage system and cause a traumatic flooding incident, taking populous lives of people in different areas of the Philippines.
From the year 2020, there were around 8,100 fatalities reported as a result of natural hazard appearances worldwide. Another factor of hazard that cause of numerous casualties is landslide.
The impact of a landslide can be extensive, including loss of life, destruction of infrastructure, damage to land, and loss of natural resources. Landslide material can also block rivers and increase the risk of floods.
The most intense case of landslide is on December 21, 2020, in the aftermath of Storm Vicky. A massive landslide occurred in Toledo Copper Mine in Toledo City, Cebu. This landslide is known to have killed 4 miners, with 6 more still missing with no hope of survival.
We are not satisfied on what we are seeing in our surroundings. That is why Ecolikasan formulated a better way to help our nature.
By collecting empty bottles and learning the proper management of waste, we can reduce the chance of experiencing traumatizing danger from disasters when it occurs.
We should know the 3 R's of waste management. Do you know what the 3 R's are?
It is the reduce, reuse, recycle.
How can an empty bottle become so useful?
That's right, empty bottles can turn into something useful. By cutting it in half and making a hole below, you can transform it into flower pot.
We humans are responsible of our actions towards the nature.
Mother Nature is seeking for help.
If we do not take action now, then when? Take
action.
Action.
now.
Take action now before it's too late.
Here are the emergency hotlines you can call in case of emergency.